Good morning, and welcome to day 11, which is actually my December 10th. I mean, I can't actually believe that I got this so completely wrong, but I just wanted to have the number line up with the day of the upload. Yeah, so today, should I brush my hair? Yes. Am I going to? No, I am not. Call this curly head struggles. Call this whatever you want, but it's too hot. And basically, the messy bun look is where it's at for today and time immemorial. So there we go. Hair is done. Now, what's my plan? I think we're on a slight lean. I'm not even worried about it. We're going to open day 11. I think there's a bauble in here. Feels like a bauble. I'm going to have my breakfast. I'm going to drink my coffee. And then I'm going to work for the last official day that I have to physically go to work. Which is great, because somebody said this morning there's like 2 weeks until Christmas, and I was like, 2 weeks? 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So there's a lot of weeding that needs to be done. We did, however, dig up some potatoes last night, so it does mean that potatoes will be ready for Christmas. There goes those blackbirds, or as I shall now call them, strawberry thieves. So my strawberries are struggling, partially because they're new plants, partially because it's been so dry and I've not been here, so I've been neglectful, and partially because the blackbirds are just massacring them, even though they now have food options. So what have we got? Okay, we've got a sparkly one. I was kind of expecting this to be like the last one, but that's quite cool. It's got snowflakes in it. Okay, so we've got a sparkly bauble. Oh, and we've got this very teal colour in fetch sock. So there's been a couple of different yarn types. I might have to go through. And this one is called Sparkling Seas, which is very, very cool. I did work out what I want to do with these. I saw a garland of mini socks as an advent, knitted. And I was like, I can knit like 24 tiny socks as an advent. It's not going to use up all the yarn. Maybe my next year's socks are going to be made of leftover this yarn, and that'll be my next year's Christmas socks made of this year's yarn. Maybe that works. I think that works. But mostly I'm going to make an advent of mini socks in a garland that can go around my eventual Christmas tree. So this is today's colour. Anyway, I'm going to have breakfast. I'm going to catch up on some YouTube, and I'm going to do that quickly because I go to work in 30 minutes and I have just washed my wrist brace. No, my wrist brace. My wrist brace? My wrist brace. You see, when I'm not doing anything, it doesn't hurt. Maybe I'm getting better. And then I'm going to work. But mostly, I also need to work out what do I need to get sorted and get running again, because I used to run, not well. I'll see if I can find a picture to put here of the biggest run I ever did. I was very proud of myself. Ran with a friend of mine. We've been over the Auckland Harbour Bridge. It was great. But I do want to get back running again. I haven't run since I slipped a disc in my back and my osteopath said, no running. But I really like eating food, and food that's bad for me. So I need to get running again to make up for the fact that I am about to eat a lot of desserts in the month of December. And I enjoyed running, and running was one of those things that gave me sort of some mental clarity. And I don't run fast. I think my running pace is best to be described as walking for most people. Oh, hello. I'm not even sure you're in frame. There's a essence of beagle. You're not having my breakfast, bro. Right, good boy, get off. I will now eat my breakfast before it goes completely cold and work out what I need to do in order to get running again. I think at the very minimum, I need new shoelaces. And then the aim is tomorrow, they'll be running. We'll go with something like that. All right, breakfast, YouTube, work. I don't know. I'm contemplating taking my sock knitting to our Christmas function today. I'm not sure if that's rude. Yeah, not sure. Anyway, I better eat my breakfast before the dog does.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes.